Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best snow cone machines that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker, Model SCM10. Cuisinart is better known for blenders and makers, but they sell snow cone makers as well. This unit costs a little more than some of the other models on this list designed for home use. It makes real shaved ice. You can use ice cubes from the fridge and almost any juice. One annoyance for customers is that it makes bigger ice chips, not fine shaved ice. It works incredibly fast. You can make ice for 4 snow cones in less than a minute once you've hit the switch. The unit has 2 storage spots for 2 cones. It comes with a few reusable plastic cones and paper cones. This unit has better than average safety features, so it is safe to use around children. By dispensing the ice into the main cube, it won't spray ice everywhere. At number 4. VIVO HOME Electric Ice Shaver Snow Cone Maker. Electric, plug-in, power does the work for you. Rapidly shaves ice, 143 pounds of ice per hour, to meet large demands easily. Just plug in power, add and enjoy a batch of ice in about 6 minutes. The machine can make up to 26 pounds bullet ice cubes in 24 hours. Get ice cubes in less time than you buy from the food-grade corrosion-free stainless steel blade and ice bowl guarantee longer life than the competitors. When using an ice machine, just plug in power, add and enjoy a batch of ice in about 6 minutes. The machine can make up to 26 pounds bullet ice cubes in 24 hours. Get ice cubes in less time than you buy from the firm base of the ice crusher provides a stable and quiet workstation. Vibration and noise are minimized to maintain a relaxed atmosphere and comfortable experience. The top see-through window of the ice maker can be used for process monitoring or ice level inspection. At number 3. Nostalgia brand Retro Single Snow Cone Making Machine. This retro snow cone machine looks like it fell out of a time warp from the 1950s. It is designed to make one snow cone at a time. You place a single snow cone cup under the ice dispenser, add standard ice cubes and let it do its work. It gives you the finely shaved ice that you tend to get with premium models. This model is cheaper than some of the higher capacity units, and it is designed to sit on your countertop. One downside is how slow it works. A common problem with this and other nostalgia ice makers is the tendency of ice cubes to get stuck when you load it with too many pieces of ice. Put in, at most, 3 ice cubes to minimize the odds of a jam. Do not put a finger or knife into the machine to clear the jam. At number 2. Classic Cuisine brand Shaved Ice Maker. This snow cone machine is safe for children to use. It won't even operate if you don't have the lid and securing nut in place. This machine is rather lightweight, and you can disassemble it for easy storage. It is short enough to fit on most countertops, though you may have cabinets right above it. One downside of this model is related to the price. It is cheap because it is made of cheap plastic. You could break the bowl if you drop it or just hit it too hard. It isn't durable. This snow cone machine features an attractive but sturdy design that is easy to assemble and disassemble in seconds for added storage convenience. Unlike other ice shavers that require special ice molds, this ice maker uses regular ice cubes right from your freezer. Finally at number 1. Paragon, manufactured Fun Arctic Blast Snow Cone Machine. The Arctic Blast Snow Cone Machine number 6,133,310 features a 1/3 of a horsepower motor which can produce an impressive 500 lb of ice per hour. This commercial machine is constructed from stainless steel and aluminum to ensure long-lasting durability. The tinted high-impact acrylic panels are tinted blue to shade the ice from melting. A slanted drain is removable, food-grade plastic and drains moisture away from the ice to extend shelf life. Include 36-inch drain tube, durable door and a servicing scoop. You can use block ice to produce snow cones if you first break it down into pieces 3 to 4 inches in size. Ice will not fit the horn if the pieces are too large. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.